What's up, y'all? If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Kyra. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. My name. But, yeah. So if you guys are new to today's video, if you guys are new to the channel and to the family, I'm Kyra, and I'll be your host like every day. I post like I'll have like people in my vids, but like I'll be your host like every day. Okay. So putting our table back on. Alright, in today's video, we're going to be playing with this slime. This is my favorite slime. Whoa, isn't that cool? Okay, I'm joking. I'm playing with this slime, actually. So it has like a pink part, and it's really sticky, and I love it. It has like a blue part, which is like... It's soft. Well, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Okay, let me get my pigment slime. Ow, sorry you guys. Oh my god. Are you guys okay? Do you need to rush into the hospital? Let me just like put my slime down and then I'll get you guys your table back, okay? Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? Legit, the container farted. Okay, that wasn't me, I promise. I'm joking. It wasn't me, okay? That was the container when I opened it. It was all the container's fault. It came into the rug. Okay. So we all know how to start off a video with slime. Welcome. Oh no! The slime's a bit stickier than the last video slime, so okay, that just makes sense. So this slime's a bit stickier than the last video that... Gosh, why did I can't talk today, guys. So this slime is a bit stickier than the last slime we had in the last video. Finally. So like, this one probably one of my favorite slimes, but not my favorite slime. You know what I mean? Bam. You feeling me? This is not all the slimes I have. I promise you that. Like, I just didn't feel like taking them all out from underneath my bed. Did I say dead? Ah! Yeah. Okay, I'll be quiet. Yep, I didn't just get yelled out for yelling, so I didn't get yelled at. I didn't just get yelled at for being so loud. Literally, there's nobody but me, my brother, my little brother, and my mom home. Okay? You guys be like, where's your mom at? She's downstairs, okay? That's where my mom is at. I don't even know what she's doing because I'm too lazy to get up right now. Like, this one's her video. I've been sitting, okay? I started this video sitting, and I will end this video sitting. Do you make up? I'm bored. Just like a slime for fun. Ew. Oh my gosh, that's a cool texture. I'm gonna make up with this, okay? That's enough of playing with this slime. Right, you guys don't have a chair anymore, okay? Or a table. Whatever you guys call it. A tablet. Oh gosh, my backgrounding just fell down. Okay, fell. I don't want you guys to see my hideous bed. And it's not that hideous, it's just the fact that I need to clean up the backboard. That's all. You guys will be down there for a couple more days, okay? So, it's okay. You guys will get used to it. Alright. You don't forget you. I'm not even gonna pick that up. Okay, there we go. Hi guys, welcome back to the railroad. Oh gosh, I'm gonna put this back more on camera. Which I'm not more on camera, so I need to scoot you guys back a little bit. So you guys can see me. The most important thing of this video, I'm just the most. You guys are the most important thing to me right now because you guys watch my videos. So if you're watching this video and you hear this, it's because you're watching my video. Okay, that's the only reason why you hear it, because you're watching my videos, which is like really amazing. Oh my gosh, is this gum? No, it's slime with foam. This is just foam. Okay, so like, if you're watching this video, okay. if you're watching this video and you think that was like slime on it, and I just threw it on carpet. I don't just throw slime on the ground because my mama, if she watched this video and see that I just do some slime on the carpet, she gonna be like, girl, you better scrub it like Cinderella. And I don't got time for that. Alright, so this slime right here, I call peppermint slime because it has like a peppermint scent to it. And that's how it got its name, because it smells like peppermint, okay? And the story, and then discussions. I cannot talk at all, okay? Not even part 1, part 2, or part 3. I think this is part 3, I'm not sure. I don't sound like that. I'm back. I am still sitting, okay? I just need to do a little bit of flexibility. Ow, my back hurts. Ow. Ah! What is in the slime, you guys? Ah! How did this happen? Oh, God. Gosh. Oh, my God. Did you guys see that, though? My foot was legit in the slime, okay? I'll be back. I almost got it. I'm still in my bed. I haven't left my bed yet. That's my blanket, not any slime, okay? Stink, you okay? Stink. Stinky doodle boo. Stinky. Okay. I need to go check my little brother. I'm gonna have to get off the bed. He's fine. He's just coughing. My little brother has a bit of a cold, so I have to like check on him now when he's coughing really hard, because he can choke while he's coughing. Does anybody know you can choke when you're coughing? Because I didn't know that. You guys are still too close to me. So we're gonna have to scoot you back like 12 miles back, even though my bed is not that long. Alright. Was my shirt in the slime? Okay. No, I'm done here. I wish I had a table like that where you guys could see everything I'm doing. You guys can barely see what I'm doing. But you can see what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the scissors, I'm shoving it in this. Which these scissors were just cleaned from the first video. Because like my family is sanitary. Not like half of it. The one that always gets sick first is not the sanitary one. That's all I can tell you. Michael. I didn't say anything. Michael. Alright. Okay. This is my mint slime, and I love it because it smells like legit mint. Yeah, I know. Whenever I put the mint stuff in it, it's the best thing in the world. And it's actually, did you guys not see that? It's a warning. My video is amazing. But that's it for today's video, guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in part 4. Bye!